Originally, my car was black. However, I put the Shelby 1000 white body from Shelby American on my project car. I made a video on what color I should put my car with the thoughts of putting the car back to black when I could save up. However, I had the opportunity from Vvivid Vynyls to wrap it whatever color. We were either going to wrap it aluminum, gunmetal, or olive green. However, my subscribers wanted to see something else. Nardo gray. This color is so beautiful. I love my subscribers. I would not be where I am right now if it wasn't for you guys, and I wanted to share my build with you. This made me fall in love with my car way more. Easy to install. I had zero experience. If I could do it, you could do it. Thank you, Vvivid Vynal.